Hello friends, let's look at the next question in this series where I tell you how to break down complex exam questions in the AWS Solutions Architect exam. Let's read the question together. I would ask you to pause the video for a second so that you can read the question on my screen, and then we'll read it and break it down. I'm assuming you read the question. Let's look at it now. So, to comply with industry regulations, a healthcare institute wants to keep their large volume of lab records in some durable, secure, low cost storage class for an extended period of time. A bunch of clues here, guys. So I'm just going to write them all down. They're looking for a storage solution. So I'm guessing it would be a version of S3. Then they're looking for something durable, which means it has to have high availability. Then they're looking for something secure. They might be looking for on scale or on rest encryption. So secure is the third clue. Then we're looking for extended period of time and low cost. Let's look at the question. If there are any more clues, the data will be rarely accessed but requires immediate retrieval. This is our key clue here, that the data is infrequently accessed but requires immediate retrieval. As a solutions architect, we have to suggest a solution. Let's use the process of elimination as well as whatever knowledge we have about all these solutions and fixate on an answer. First is Amazon S3 standard. If I check the first option and I check the clues beside it, there are multiple places where I can reject this option. So let's see where this does not comply. So it's Amazon S3 standard. As soon as I read infrequent access, I can eliminate S3 standard because S3 standard is, first of all, not a low-cost solution, and this is not a solution that is used when the data needs to be infrequently accessed. Let's look at the second option. Amazon S3 standard infrequent access. You might get confused. You might be tempted to select this one, but I would not go with this one because, first of all, this is not good for an extended period of time. It is not good for immediate retrievals. And these are the two aspects where this solution fails. If I go with Amazon S3 Glacier Instant Retrieval, so let's look at my check. It is a storage solution. It is durable because it is a long-term archival solution. Of course, Glacier has vaults, so Glacier is secure. We can encrypt it using our own keys. Since it's an archival solution, we can use it for an extended period of time. It is a low-cost solution because archiving will significantly compress your data and you will only be charged if you have to access it. So it is infrequently accessed, but the instant retrieval part of this option takes care of this immediate retrieval part. So my guess is Amazon S3 Glacier Instant Retrieval. Just because we were following the process of elimination, let's look at the point number 4. Amazon S3 one zone infrequent access. So it actually checks a lot of boxes. It is a secure solution. It is extended period of time. It is low cost. It is infrequent access. But I think it fails in the part where it has to be durable, it has to be highly available. Since Amazon S3 one zone infrequent access will be limited to a single availability zone, and you will lose the data if you lose that availability zone. So B and C were the confusing options, but C wins the race because it is lower cost than the option B. Good luck, guys. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos at Simply Clouded. To subscribe our channel, please hit the bell icon at the bottom.